Good morning. How's everybody doing? Trying to get Instagram going. Sorry, guys. Bear with me 1 second. Always happens. I don't know. It's just me. Sorry. How's everybody doing? Daisy here from StrongMomsFitness.com and the Strong Moms Fitness Podcast. Today is Podcast Tuesday. Go ahead to your favorite podcast player and check out our newest episode, and it's all about how to build a home gym. So talking about some of the basic, intermediate, and advanced pieces of equipment that you'll need for a home gym. Check out that episode. Today's question is, what are you binging on Netflix? I would love to hear. I'm always looking for new shows and programs, so let me know what you're watching on Netflix. I got a quick 5-minute workout for you. We're going to do a little bit of whole body, mostly upper. So let's get started. You're going to need some dumbbells. You can even use a kettlebell, whatever you have laying around. We're going to start with a bicep curl and a press. So let's go. We've got 1 minute here on the clock. Good job. How's everybody's Tuesday going? Hopefully you guys get a chance to check out that podcast episode. I do have some links. I do have a guide. So if you are looking to get some extra tools, I've pretty much included everything that I use here in our little live workout sessions, and then some more advanced stuff too. So you will want to check that out. So keep going with that curl and press. Another couple of seconds here. Good bicep shoulder warm up. Awesome. Whew. Keep going. Fight that burn. You got 1 second. Here we go. Alrighty, up to you if you want to switch to a kettlebell. I'm going to stick to a single dumbbell. Just for example's sake, we're going to do a snatch. And if you haven't done that before, just watch me really quick and I'll try and talk you through it. But start down in a squatted position. You're going to raise the weight with your elbow and then flip it up overhead. Good job. So we're just going to do the one side here. Awesome. This is commonly done with a barbell and has also able to be done with a kettlebell. So whatever you have laying around, give it a go. Really good full arm, upper body workout here. Give it a try. And then after a minute, we'll switch off to the other arm. Really get that elbow up and then snap it. Good job. Whew. Good job, everybody. About 10 seconds left. We'll switch off to the other side. Good job. Awesome. Ready and switch. I will, let me see if I got my kettlebell here. I can do it with the kettlebell here if my ceiling will allow. Good job. And you just kind of let the kettlebell flop over your wrist. There you go. Good job. So whichever you choose, whichever tools you have, you got 1 minute. Whew. And of course, as always, on Sunday, I will be live. If you want to talk more about form, if you want to go through the snatch, we can break it down. It's a really fun move. Exercise. 15 seconds here, and it does wind me, so especially with this heavier kettlebell. 5 seconds left. Good job. Whew. Last one. Whew. With the kettlebell, you may end up with some bruises around the wrist. That's just part of it. All right, we're going to do a sumo with a high pull. So take a nice wide squat. Grab whatever weight you've got. Squat, pull up. Good job. Nice deep sumo squat here. Chest up tall. stand up, raise the weight, squeeze the glutes, core is on here. Good job. 1 minute. Whew. Thanks for joining me here. We are almost done. Got one set after this, and then I'll be starting my day. Whew. Good job. Guys, I'd like to hear, remember the question of the day is, what's your binging on Netflix? You guys were very helpful yesterday, and I was asking for some good movies. So let me know what you're binging on Netflix. All right, last second. There we go. Whew. We are gonna burn this workout out with a minute of jump squats. Already have no breath, so we'll see how this goes. Might be a little ugly. Good job. I'm just gonna start with some very low jumps. Up to you if you really want to get some nice high jumps. I don't know if I got it in me today. Awesome. Good work, everyone. Thanks for sticking it out with me for the 5-minute workout. See some fun faces joining today. Thank you. Whew. Hello to everyone watching. Keep up with me. We've got about 20 seconds left, and then we're done for the day. Whew. This is kind of some ugly jumps. I apologize. Do what you can. Awesome. A couple seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow for another workout. Thanks. Bye.